Hello, it's Josh here at the Classic Competition Company, and we're out here with a beautiful Triumph T90. This is a 350cc classic motorcycle, twin cylinder, single carb, and it's one of our prizes on the site, theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. Tickets are $2.99. What I'm going to do now is just show you how to start the bike and a little walk around. It's an older restoration, so it's in really nice condition. It's got this beautiful kind of British racing green colour on the top. I think that's Alaskan white on the bottom. Got this nice green stripe on the mudguard as well, with the gold pinstriping. See, the engine's nicely polished. It starts very easily because it says 350. I don't see many green Triumphs, and I do really like them actually. Gives it a nice kind of classic look, not too in your face, quite understated really. So to start it, got your ignition key here, so that's on. Fuel tap in line is on here. You tickle your carb. As I've already had it going, I don't need to do that. Got your kickstart over here. Away he goes. I think it's one of the best sounding 350s around. It sounds amazing considering how low the CC is. New bikes don't sound like that anymore. Just raw. And to stop it, you just turn your ignition key off. So if you do fancy a ticket, like I said, just go to the website, which is theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. If this is an older video, still check the site out, because we've usually got some nice examples of classic Triumphs on there. We also do a lot of classic Japanese two-strokes. So yeah, thank you for supporting us. And good luck if you do buy a ticket.